Hi, I'm Dermot Givens. I'm your attorney for the parole hearing. Did you get notice of that?
Yes, sir.
And did you review your file?
Yes, sir.
You look at your transcripts from the last hearing?
Yes, sir.
Can you relax a little bit and stop with the sir stuff, okay?
Yes, sir.
Look, I'm trying to help you. You gotta relax, just talk to me. We got a lot of work to do, and I need you to get out of your shell and work with me, okay? And if you say yes sir one more time, I'm gonna lose it. So can you just talk to me without all the yes sir shit? Okay, try it.
Okay, Mr. Givens.
Okay, see, we're making progress. Okay, Mr. Hoffman, I don't see too many inmates that have went 7 years with no disciplinary problems, and your last parole hearing, they gave you a 7-year denial. That tells me something went terribly wrong at your hearing. And you've had 2 7-year denials, so what's going on?
I committed a horrible crime. I don't deserve to get let out of prison.
Okay, who told you that?
I know myself.
Okay, so then I should just go home.
Yes, sir.
Stop that shit. I take my job very seriously, and my job is to help you prepare to get out of here. You were sentenced to 25 years to life. That means you can get out of here when the parole board finds that you pose no risk of dangerousness if they release you. So let me do my job. Okay, you have no disciplinary problems. Since you've been in prison, nothing. No criminal record, no prior criminal record. You're a high school graduate. Your work history is good. When you were on the streets, you worked as a security guard. So what's so horrible about your crime that you think you should be serving a life sentence?
I killed my mom.
Yeah, that's horrible. But the judge didn't sentence you to life. Why are you giving yourself a life sentence?
Nobody kills their mother. It's not right.
You're not the only person that killed their mother. Remember those brothers? I forget what their name is, but...
The Sandovals.
Right. Well, I didn't know your mother, but from what I read, she doesn't sound like a nice person. Not saying that you should have killed her, but it's also something you need to... It's not something you need to stay in here for. Unless you just like it. That's what you need to decide. Do you want to spend the rest of your life in prison, or do you want to get out of here?
Hey, don't you understand? I killed my mother.
How'd you kill her?
I had a bat.
Well, lots of people have bats. How did you kill her?
I used the bat. I swung it.
Okay, I'm not a psychiatrist. I don't understand all the psychobabble that's in your report. But I do understand that the parole board is trying to see if you have any insight into why you did it. Those are the issues that they want you to be able to express to them. They want to know if you have any real insight into what you did. So let's talk about the crime. Where were you when this happened?
At home, in the kitchen.
And when your mom was in the kitchen?
Yeah.
And you were in the kitchen?
Yeah.
And how did the bat get in the kitchen?
I brought it.
And why would you bring a bat into a kitchen?
She wouldn't give me the money. And then she wouldn't shut up. She just...
Okay, what time of day was this?
It's the morning.
And she was cooking breakfast?
She did not ever cook. We had cereal, and she was cleaning up.
Okay, look, the parole board said you had no insight into the crime. My job is to try and help you get that insight so that you can have a conversation with the board that lets them know that you understand what you did. I read your transcript, and each hearing, you just kind of shut down. Why?
I don't deserve to get out.
Look, everyone I represent has killed at least one person. Killing someone, even your mom, doesn't mean you have to spend the rest of your life in prison. Do you want to get out of here?
I want to go home.
Okay, this is not going to be easy, but you got to go through the pain and get past it. Your record is the best I've ever seen. No discipline since you've been in prison. That's remarkable. You were working. You have job skills, no criminal record, high school graduate. So let me ask you some questions and I want you to answer them. No matter what the answer. Can you do that?
No, I don't want to do this.
Take me back to right before you killed your mother. You were having breakfast. What, cereal?
I used to eat Cheerios.
And you were sitting at the table?
I was sitting in my chair.
With your mom?
She's always at the head of the table.
Then you got up.
Boy, did I ever.
And where did you go?
I went to my room.
And that's when you got the bat?
It was in my closet.
Okay, let's go back over this. You were eating Cheerios, sitting at the table with your mom. What were you talking about?
She was yelling at me about my girlfriend, Chrissy. We were going to go to Hawaii, and we got a plane ticket, and I only needed $400 more to go and see her. And my mom, she wouldn't give it to me. She wouldn't fucking give it to me, so I killed her.
Okay, why didn't she like Chrissy?
She didn't even think she was real. She just thought she was some girl inside of a computer, and she was trying to play me just to get money.
So did you ever meet her? Ever talk to her?
No, we didn't meet. We texted and we emailed.
So did you meet her after you went to Hawaii?
No, I told her that I killed my mom, and she wanted nothing more to do with me.
Okay, did you know that your mom was dead when you left?
No, I just left. No, I didn't know.
So why did you stop hitting her with the bat?
She stopped talking. That's all I wanted. She was just her to stop, her to stop talking, and.
So have you read your psych report?
Yeah.
Is it accurate?
Yeah.
You take your meds today?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you plan on continuing taking your treatments and your medication when you get out?
Yeah.
Hey, look, we got a lot of work to do. We can get you to the point where you can discuss this crime, but I need you to have eye contact with the board and just speak matter-of-factly about what you did. Don't hold back. Just be straightforward. It's going to be emotional. That's okay. I just need you to get it all out and look at them. Look them in the eye, okay?
I don't think I can do this.
You can do this. You just got to practice and work on it. So you think you can work on that? Just having eye contact when you talk to someone?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, look. The only person keeping you in prison is you. You've got a perfect record. The board isn't keeping you here. They're trying to get you out of here. You can do this. It may take a couple of tries, but you can do this.
Okay.
You just got to remember, the only person keeping you here is you. So, get yourself to the point where you want to get out of here.
Thank you, Mr. Givens.
Okay, stay safe. Guards,